Hello again, it's Noob, and yes, we have a Draper Expert Security padlock here. It's one of those round body padlocks with quite a long shackle. I can hold onto it like a handle, and these are really cool. I'm almost certain that these must be made by Federal. Looking at these keys, they're one of the only ones who do this type of key, and but I could be wrong. And it's got a nice strong shackle spring, double ball bearing, offset ball bearing, which is nice. And I've not actually opened this up to see what's on the inside. So let's grab a vise, have a pick and see what's going on. Okay, so we are in the vise. Here is that lovely key. It's not bad bitting. It just goes medium, high, medium, low again. Sort of stepping down ever so slightly as it goes. And it's got a nice shackle spring on it, as you can see there. And what we're going to do to pick this is treat it like an American lock, really. A 1.3mm top of the keyway turner, like that. And a 18,000th gem, picking from the bottom of the lock. It's going to go through 6 pins, pin 6 here. Nothing. 5 nothing. 4's binding, they'll click. 3, 2, 1's binding here, I think. Yeah, into a bit of a false set. Okay, so back to 6, giving us no feedback. 5, cancel rotation, and make sure we don't. So it's a spool pin on 5. 4, cancel rotation again, another spool pin, or similar. Nothing on 3. 2 here, giving some cancel rotation, and oh, just got that. I'm using quite light tension on this, which is why the turning tool keeps sort of coming out. Nothing on 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, some cancel rotation. Oh, I knew that would happen, but did we save it? I'm holding the tension on with the lockpick itself. Let's go back through 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So who isn't right? 6 now, and oh, I thought we had it then. Just trying to find that last. Oh, into a deeper false set. Okay, that's good. So nothing on 6, nothing on 5, nothing on 4, nothing on 3, back to 2. Don't lose attention this time. And yes, I think we've got the open. Is that a record? 2 tension tool flings in a video, but we got the open. So it just goes to show, if you're careful, you can catch when your turning tool falls out. That was really light tension to feel those spools, because it's quite a hard core spring in there. It does really provide some counter torque to your tension. So that's why I was using very light tension on that, but it does mean that my turning tool does fling out. But yeah, now we've opened it, let's see what's on the inside. I've got a, what do I have over here? I've got my got my screwdriver, got my pinning tray. I think this is, it just feels like spools. I don't know if there's anything going on. What do Federal locks have? They normally have spool pins, a standard pin, and serrated key pins if they're long enough. So that's my prediction. Let's see if I can try and get this out. There we go. Pull that core out. Yep, there we go. Pop that down. With that a bit more set. In fact, I'll move it that way because I'm that side of the camera. Okay, so we can see we're open now, and I'm just going to lock that back up because we've got the key. I'm going to use my gut wrench to just pop that circlip off. So you get sort of on it like that and push, Try that again. Right, 1, 2. Yeah, we got it. There we go. Just very greasy at the back, but we got there in the end. Right, we need a follower. This one will do. Need our key. We've got a shim, smaller one. Throw that in at the top, if I can. There we go. Pop our follower on and just go for it. There we go. So, what did I say? Serrated key pins if long enough. Yep, serrated. Steel pin. I just dropped 2 out the back for reasons only known to me. And I don't even know. Something like that. Right, here we go. So the shorter key pins do not have serrations, the longer key pins do. Nothing special about the plug. Put the keys over here for a minute. And then we can just have a look and see what we get out of here. So standard driver pin, spool pin, spool pin. Yeah, this is very federal. Whether it is made by them or not, this is very federal lock in terms of how all of this is pinned up. Get a load of springs out as well. And I'll bring this up to the camera for you. Also just pop all these little springs in order. Get that lined up nicely for you as well. And here we go. This is what's inside that Draper Expert Security. It's actually a really fun lock. It's got lots of really nice feedbacky spool pins, a strong like core spring, which you just have to treat very gently. As you can see, anti-drill steel pins at the front with one standard pin and a serrated key pin. Then it goes spool, 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 spool drive pins at the top, and then where these pins are long enough, you can see that they are serrated key pins. Yeah, that's everything. So look, really fun lock. If you do find any of these Draper Expert Security ones, definitely worth the purchase for an intermediate pick. Really good fun locks. If you did like this video, then hit that like. Any comments, leave them below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed and want to see more content like this, obviously hitting that subscribe and notification bell really helps my channel out and I really appreciate it. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I will see you all next time.